video we are understand 30 by 34 house plan. So first thing is, let's see with a floor plate, not an floor plan. Just see, look at what I'm saying is, just look at and listen. Okay, see, this is the ground floor and this is the first floor. Yeah, but what I'm saying is, whatever you are thinking like, I don't have a proper manner of spaces, I don't have a breathing space, I have to compromise myself to design a very convenient and efficient space. Don't be afraid, stop that way to thinking. Okay, so what you have to do, we are pop up here for that. Okay, so let's come with the ground floor, how to create your own space to be luxurious thing. See, this is a ground floor, this is the overall parking space for the one car, this is the OTA space, as you can see here, which is the 17 feet one. It means here to here, including the staircase, which is the 17 feet, almost here to here, which is the 17 feet. This is the overall living space, which is the 17 feet to 1 inch. It means here to here is 17 feet 1, and vertically it is here to here, which is the 15 feet 7 inch. And here is the staircase go for the upper floor level. Here is the bedroom designed for the parents. So that is size which is the 11 feet 9 by the 12 feet 2. It means here to here 11 feet 9 inch and here to here 12 feet 2 inch. And here is the common toilet. As see here, we have to some compromise yourself, we don't have a space, but yeah, don't thinking that we don't have a space, we have to compromise. So here is the, we are neglecting the attached toilet, so we are providing the common toilet. So here is the common toilet, which is the 5 feet, and here to here, which is the 6 feet. Here is the kitchen space with the dining space. Listen, what I'm saying is, with the dining space. So horizontally here to here, which is the 11 feet, and here to here, which is the 12 feet 2 inch, with the dining space. Here is the dining space, you can sit here with the attachment here with yourself with the crown and enjoy yourself. And here is the staircase towards the upper direction. Let's come to the first floor. Yeah, see, we are invest our size space with this is the staircase space, which is the size including the 6 feet 4 inch. It means here to here is 6 feet 4 inch for the that space usable for the staircase space. Here is the drawing room space, which is the same as in below is a ground. This is the this is the bedroom, which is the same as in the ground floor, same as in a mirror, as you can see. But yeah, we are not compromise here ourselves, just that thing is, keep it on your mind. Okay. This is the overall common toilet, which is the same as in the ground floor. And the back, what I'm saying is, here I am not adding any kind of OTS, open to sky space, because of we have a back side of a space for the marginal space, so we are use that space as in the duct space. And as you can see, this is the parking space, which is double heighted. Here is also, if you don't want to give double heighted space, so you can use as in space as in a bedroom, so you can add other bedroom space here. Here is we have one refreshing space for the drawing room. So here is the balcony space for the refreshment, which is the breadth, which is the 17 feet 2, and the length, which is the 4 feet 5. It means here to here is the 17 feet 2, and here to here is 4 feet 5. Overall house size, which is the here to here is 30 feet, and here to here is the 34 feet. In both direction, we have other properties in the sense of built up space, other houses and all. And that side, which is the that I already told you about, that is the marginal space, so we can use as a duct and ventilations and that kind of a space. Front is also, we have a good space for the architectural icon, so we are design our elevation more convenient and efficient. Okay, so here I am done my video. If you have any kind of queries and you are stuck anywhere, just contact us through our website, contact us through our contact number that I mentioned on description box and the top of the screen. Just check and watch it out. Just wait for another updated video.